Okay, so today I wanted to start off with a demo of a green smoothie. I know that can sound intimidating, green smoothies, hit or miss, but we're gonna make this one taste delicious and it's gonna be good for you. So I wanna start off by going over the ingredients, starting with the spinach, which is high in vitamin A and C. I always like to have frozen spinach in my freezer so I can whip up a green smoothie whenever. Banana, which is going to add sweetness but also has antioxidants. We have some frozen pineapple here, you could use fresh, which has the enzyme bromelain, which helps with inflammation. We have hemp seeds, which is a good source of plant-based protein, and it's the ideal ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. And then lastly, we have a little piece of ginger here. You don't need much because it's pretty potent and you can adjust that to your taste. But this is also an anti-inflammatory powerhouse. And it's always good to include ginger, turmeric root, wherever you can. Today we're using ginger. And we have some water to blend up. So we'll go ahead and add everything to the blender. And this is how easy it is. You just add everything to a blender and you have a drink packed full of nutrients. So we'll add in our water. I'm using about a cup of water, but again, you can adjust that to whatever consistency that you like. Okay, plug us in down here. Perfect. And use my handy dandy tamper here and we'll get blending. That looks good. Take that off, set that down, and we'll get that out of our way. We'll get some sample cups going. Okay. And you can definitely add less water if you want this a little bit creamier and a little bit thicker. Sometimes I like my smoothies like that, but other times I just almost want it kind of more of a juice consistency, so I add a little bit more water. All right, my treat. And we'll give those to you guys. And let's take a sip. Oh my gosh, that is so good. You can really taste the ginger and the fresh pineapple flavor. And even though we used frozen pineapple, it still gives that brightness and that freshness. It's so delicious, and when you really just take the time to research food and look at the different properties, and you can really find out about how food can heal you and your body. And we're going to go into a lot more in depth about what we can learn about our food and how we can eat certain foods to help manage our psoriasis symptoms. And cheers to our health.